Choco niños. Yo les soy Ángel Fernández López de Ticuitaco Michoacán.
José María López Mendoza. De Ticuitaco Michoacán.
Mi nombre es Javid, soy de Ticuitaco Michoacán.
Ventures, here we are again in a small town called Ticuitaco, somewhere in Mexico. I'll be showing you guys a little bit about the town. I'm gonna throw my drone and see the area. It holds a population of about 460 residents, and area-wise, it's about 1 square mile. Hope you guys enjoy it. By the way, shout out to Angel and Mateo. What's up, studs? So Ventures, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of this town. This is a little town somewhere in Mexico. The name of it is Ticuitaco, very, very old town. So I'm going to throw the drone up in the air and see if we can get a better view, okay? Ventures, up next, it's the highlight of the town, a small dam that is used for irrigation here in the area. Hey Ventures, I wanna show you something that I found right here. It's kind of a little bit weird, but anyways, you guys look at this tree. This tree has cattle heads hanging from the tree. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of weird. And I'm pretty sure these cattle are like, what the heck is going on here? See that? A little bit weird, but yeah, I guess it's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can see the footage. Yeah. So basically, yep, that's what it is. Well, we're gonna see if we can learn a little bit more about this Ticuitaco town. Man, nostalgia at its best. That used to be me. Here we are in the new part of town, next to the presa. Being this the new part of town, there's a lot of construction going on. Ventures, one of the things that I noticed is that I think they have some sort of mining on this area. I think they use the material to compact roads. And also, if you guys can see from the drone footage, there's lots of farming. They grow different types of produce like onions, lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, corn, etc. So Ventures, apparently this is blue agave, the prime material to make the famous Mexican tequila. I don't know if you guys can tell, but way over there too, all these hills, people are growing lots and lots of agave. I think they call it blue agave. So yeah, Ventures, for most of you that have never seen a Mexican cemetery, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of footage, and maybe if a person from this town, Ticuitaco, sees this video, maybe they'll get familiar with this. This is not to disrespect nobody. I'm just trying to get a little bit of footage for people that have comment about maybe filming a little bit about this. And I asked some people from town that if it was going to be an issue, not to film at all, but they're like, oh no, it's good. So hopefully nobody gets upset, but I'll show you guys a little bit of what's the difference between a cemetery in this town compared to other places. I know it's sad and everything, but I guess it's part of life. Everybody, we're gonna go through this, so I just thought it'll be nice if we can show you guys a little bit of this.
Para mujeres, güey.
Güey,
Así más macho que
le
tú,
digo
vamos.
partir el hocico ahí, güey.
Ah. Mira, dice la moto.
Nada más le hice una R6 acá de esas. Mamá.
Está más grande la p. que tú, pinche.
Ah, güey, para el alcance, güey.
Las puntitas, güey.
Neta, no sé qué se sabe ese cuate.
Sácala, sácala, meme.